An ancient Japanese secret, miraculous skin even at 70. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Dear viewers, before we begin, please tell me a little bit how old are you this year? Where are you watching this video from? Please write in the comments below so I can get to know you. Now let's begin. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, rinse the aloe vera leaves thoroughly under running water to remove dirt. Then, dry them completely with a paper towel. Next, cut the aloe vera leaves to prepare to extract the gel inside. How are you today, my friends? Hope you're having a pleasant day. Put the chopped aloe vera into a blender and blend until smooth. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, filter the mixture through organza or a thin cloth, squeezing thoroughly by hand to obtain pure aloe vera gel. Add 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E to the gel to enhance its moisturizing properties. Mix well and pour the mixture into a clean glass for storage. When using, apply the gel to clean skin on hands, face, neck, upper chest area. This mixture deeply moisturizes, soothes, and cares for the skin very well. Store in the refrigerator and use within 10 days. Prepare a large, fresh, and juicy aloe vera leaf. The thicker the leaf, the more gel inside, and the easier it will be to get. Then, use a knife to cut the aloe vera leaf in half horizontally for easier handling. Using a knife, gently separate the green skin from the white flesh inside. Don't forget to cut off the sharp thorns on both sides of the leaf. This makes handling aloe vera safer. Once neatly cut, I placed the leaf on the cutting board, the belly of the leaf facing up. After separating one side, I used a spoon to scrape out the transparent gel, which is the precious essence of aloe vera. Do this repeatedly until all the leaves are used up. After collecting the gel, I cut the gel into small pieces to make it easier to blend. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Put all the gel in a clean bowl. Next, I put this gel in a blender to puree. You can blend it completely smooth or keep a little bit of the light lump if you want to use it for skin or hair care purposes. With this method, you will get pure, fresh aloe vera gel. Can be used as a skincare mask, hair gel, or mixed with a drink to cool down and detoxify very well. Once blended, pour the gel into a clean bowl and set aside. Now, go back to the green peel that you peeled earlier. Cut this peel into thin strips. Put the sliced aloe vera peel into a clean glass jar. Next, prepare a handful of basil leaves. Put the basil in a large bowl. Pour water in. Wash the leaves so that all the dirt is gone. Take them out and dry them gently with a paper towel. Remove the hard stem, keep only the top and young leaves. Then, put the basil leaves in a wooden mortar and pound them until smooth. Once pounded, put the basil in a glass jar with the shredded aloe vera peel. Add 200 milliliters of vinegar and mix well. Cover the jar tightly. Then cover it with another layer of cloth to keep it dark. Place the jar in a cool, dry, dark place for 21 days to let the mixture ferment naturally. Next, I prepare the gel to use. Cut a fresh lemon in half. Squeeze about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into the previously blended aloe vera gel bowl. Add 5 to 6 drops of vitamin E. Then mix well to create an extremely effective skin and body care mixture. You can use this mixture to gently massage areas with varicose veins, swollen joints, or skin that needs soothing. The mixture helps increase circulation, reduce swelling, and quickly soothe sensitive skin areas. Can be used every day in the evening before bed for best results. Aloe vera gel can be stored in a sealed glass jar. Now pour the gel in the bowl into the jar. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then close the lid. If kept in the refrigerator, it can be kept for about 2 weeks, and if kept in a cool, dark place, it can be kept for up to 6 months. With a completely natural, chemical-free method, your body will soon feel the difference. Lighter, more relaxed, and healthier every day. After 21 days, the aloe vera leaf mixture can be taken out for use. You can apply it to your skin, gently massage it every day to help your skin become healthy, reduce swelling and pain, and soothe your skin. This mixture is especially effective when used to massage your hands, areas with varicose veins or joint pain. You will see changes in your skin and body after a period of perseverance, and your body will thank you for it. If you like this recipe, please leave a heart in the comments and hit the like button to motivate me to share more great tips. Thank you, my dear friends. Finally, wishing you always stay young, healthy, and beautiful.